So here in this quick tutorial, I will show you how to turn off auto dubbing on YouTube. So let's get started. First of all, you need to open up your YouTube application and simply go with the subscription button on the right bottom side. So simply go with the subscription and open up any of the video that you want. So I will go with this one. And now you need to go and select the gear icon onto the right upper side. Here is the gear icon, just select it down, and then from here you will find out the audio track. So simply select the audio track, and as you can see, it is selected as English United States original. So this is the original audio, so you need to select the original one. But if you are selected with any of these below options like this, then you will get the auto dubbing mode. But for my case, I'm going with the original one to turn off the auto dubbing completely. So make sure to select the original one for every time and you will get it. So that's how you can simply turn off auto dubbing on YouTube. So hope this video helps. If yes, please leave a like and we'll catch you next time.